Cornell and Deal Bayou Morning Flake. And 500 layers of cardboard. Look at that. Tin is from 2005. So we are talking about Bayou Morning Flake, put out by Cornell and Deal, made in South Carolina. This particular tobacco was made in North Carolina when they were there in Morganton. This is a Virginia Perique blend, strictly Virginia Perique, made with red stove Virginias, and it's heavy on a Perique, 25% Perique, very, very heavy Perique bomb. And it comes as a broken flake. It's cut as a flake. Anybody has experience with Cornell and Deal flakes, they come broken. Oh, doesn't affect the smoking. Now, don't be shy. You're 25% Perique. You're thinking I'm going to get my butt handed to me, but you're not. You're not. It's not as what you think it is. I've had multiple experiences with this blend, and the best experience I found is in a meerschaum. Now, in a briar, I got nicotine, I got pepper. In a meerschaum, I got a lot less nicotine, I got smoothness, I got plummy, figgy, dark fruit. Yes, all that stuff does exist. Unfortunately, it does. And we all know there's no figs in it. So it's the profile of the Virginias coming out, the red Virginias coming out. The plums, that's the Perique. It's pungy, and this is an overall good smoke. You can taste all that. It's like a dark sweetness with just a little bit of pepper to it. It's just right. This is on my very top list for go-tos when it comes to vapors, Virginia Perique blends, and it definitely holds up to. It's not much hype behind it, but it definitely hold the value up with it. Of course, all Cornell and Deal tobacco I tend to age. I never smoke it right out, fresh. It's just too harsh. Now, 3 years is bare minimum, 5 years is excellent, and 10 years is phenomenal. So, if you ever see any around that's old at a good price, pick it up. Alright, that's Cornell and Deal Bayou Morning Flake. If you're seeking for the truth about dark fruit, right here.